Good morning. Today's assignment, you guys are going to be looking over notes. We're starting a new content, and then the notes are going to be titled Geology and Plate Tectonics. So, what you're going to do for today's assignment is you're going to open up the Google Slides, which look like this, and you will scroll through. You're going to be talking about Earth's crust and the different layers of Earth. You're going to talk about kind of how they are all comprised and made up of. Then you're going to talk about this concept known as Pangea and kind of how that arose and how long ago that was, as well as the scientist that is. Given credit for the discovery. Then you're going to be talking about something called convection currents. Convection currents are really important to understand Earth's crust, since Earth's crust is a solid, and the melting and the cooling of the magma that is underneath of the surface, and kind of how that allows our plates to move. And then you're going to go through and talk about the different plate boundaries. So there's three specific types of plate boundaries. There's transform plate boundaries that are like this when they are essentially like slipping past one another. Then you have divergent plate boundaries, which is when they move in opposite directions. And these are some examples. And then lastly, you have convergent, which basically means they're going to collide together. And there's a lot of crazy things that happen at these plate boundaries. So that's what you're really going to be a big takeaway idea for you. There's a brain pop in here that you can watch. It's about a 6-minute video clip. So it's pretty cool. And then you'll talk about other natural disasters, specifically earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis. Okay, so that's kind of what your notes are all about. As you read through, you did this last week, you are going to be writing down the main ideas from the notes. If we were in class, I would kind of be talking, you would be writing down the notes. So this is kind of the alternative since we are doing e learning. Food for thought, make sure that you're writing your answers in a complete sentence or complete thought. Some of you guys last week when you did this assignment, you just kind of wrote a couple words or phrases. I need a complete sentence in order to get full credit. Once you complete that, you'll turn that Google Doc in, and then you'll take this pretty easy, straightforward quiz. Again, this is all posted under Google Classroom, name, date, period. And then you're going to answer these 10 questions about the notes. So pretty straightforward. Most of you guys that have done that in the past or did it last week, you did really well with that assignment. So that is your assignment for today. Please feel free to reach out to us via email or Google Hangouts if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.